In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to Asana with Zapier to auto-create tasks. By the end, you'll have a simple automation that turns every new WooCommerce order into a well-formatted Asana task your team can track without manual copy and paste. We'll start by using an integration platform. Zapier is a great choice because it's easy to set up and has a generous library of WooCommerce and Asana actions. Create or sign in to your Zapier account and make sure you have admin access to both your WooCommerce store and your Asana workspace. Having that access ready will make the connection process smooth and avoid permission errors. Next, connect WooCommerce and Asana inside Zapier. Search for WooCommerce as your trigger app and Asana as your action app, then authorize both. Zapier will prompt you to securely sign in and select the correct WooCommerce store URL and the Asana workspace and project where you want tasks to land. If you manage multiple stores or projects, double-check you're selecting the right ones to avoid sending tasks to the wrong place. Now set your trigger so new WooCommerce orders create tasks in Asana. In Zapier, choose a trigger event like new order or order paid, depending on when you want tasks to appear. New order fires as soon as the order is created, while order paid waits until payment is confirmed. Use the option that matches your team's workflow and how you prefer to hand off work from sales to fulfillment. With the trigger set, customize the Asana task details using your order data. Map the task name to include the order number and customer name for quick scanning. In the description, pull in billing and shipping details, line items, quantities, totals, and a direct link to the order in WooCommerce so your team can jump back to the source with one click. Assign the task to the right person or a triage assignee. Set a due date relative to the order date if needed, and add sections, tags, or custom fields your team relies on. Clear, consistent formatting here saves time later and reduces back and forth. Finally, test the integration to ensure smooth data flow. Use Zapier's built-in test to fetch a recent WooCommerce order and send it to Asana. Open the new task and verify the fields, links, and formatting look correct. If something's off, adjust your field mappings and test again. When everything looks good, turn the automation on and monitor the first few live orders to confirm tasks are created reliably. That's it. You've connected WooCommerce to Asana, set the trigger, customized the task details, and tested the flow for a reliable, hands-off process.